here's one great way to help your e-commerce brand grow even more online for free. And it's to create a YouTube channel. YouTube has changed my life so much, and I know it will change yours too, because one, it helps you grow in so many ways when you put yourself out there and you really just when you try to help change people's lives through YouTube like this. It's incredible because it's also the only platform, unlike TikTok and Facebook and Instagram and all these other ones, it's the only platform out there where literally videos from 6 years ago can go viral today. Because most of the social media platforms like TikTok and all that, it's like whenever your post comes up, then, a post, like you're not going to see a post from 3 years ago on your TikTok or whatever, or on your Instagram, because it's always about creating more. Like it needs more, and the algorithm favors new recent content more than like I said, it's not going to show you a video from 2 years ago on Facebook. It's only going to show you the videos that are most recent. And so it's so much harder to get those videos that you published so long ago. Like once it's been a few days or whatever, that's it. That's basically all the views it's going to get. But on YouTube, that's not the case. Literally videos from 3 years ago can perform extremely well. And heck, they can even go viral even more than when they did at the beginning. And so it's the only platform that does that. And on top of that, it's really the only platform that allows you to monetize your channel as well. Like you can obviously get like brand sponsorships on TikTok and Instagram, stuff like that, but you don't have the added benefit of YouTube ad revenue or Google AdSense available, which YouTube offers that once you reach 1,000 subscribers and you have like 4,000 watch hours within 12 months or whatever. But also by posting, like even if you post YouTube shorts, and let's say you're selling a humidifier, I always use this example, but you could post like allergy tips and like, here the best way is to relieve allergies or stuff like that, and post fun, exciting content on there. Then you can take your YouTube shorts, you can also post them on TikTok, Facebook and Instagram, and even Twitter and stuff like that, because it's that vertical short based content, and that can do very well. Like I've done that myself, and it's really done great. So that way also it takes away from you having to come up with all of this content for all your social media platforms. You can just make them for YouTube, and then all your shorts you can then take and post on TikTok, all these other channels. So it's done for you. It saves you a lot of time as well. But like I said, you have that benefit of YouTube ad revenue. You can do affiliate marketing, so you can link to your product and other people's products that have actually benefited you or that have benefited other people, and you can get affiliate commissions from that. And you could have a blog on your website, on your Shopify store, that then links back to YouTube, and that YouTube links to as well, because YouTube loves to see external websites linking to your videos. That will improve the amount of views that you get on YouTube, because YouTube loves that. And you can turn your videos into podcasts like on Spotify and stuff like that. There's so much stuff you can do that starts with YouTube, and it's so great because, like I said, you can go viral on YouTube. You can get a ton of views very quickly. You don't even need that many subscribers. But also by doing that, it also increases your brand valuation. One thing you guys that you guys probably should consider is selling your brand in the long term. If you're really committed to doing this long term for the next couple years, then you want to make sure your brand is also primed to be bought, because people will buy it. Literally, my friend in 2020, he sold he and his friend created this Shopify store, brand new. They didn't even sell any products. They never ran any ads, and yet they sold it for 30 grand, over 30 grand. Can you believe that? Like, that's insane. And so if they sold that for that much amount of money, just imagine what you can sell your brand. Imagine what you can sell your brand for when you've made sales, when you've made profit, when you have inventory and all of these other assets available. Like, it's gonna be amazing. And so having a YouTube channel can improve your brand valuation, because you have loyal subscribers, you have all these videos, you have all this content out there that, on top of that, it's generating them, whoever buys from your brand, it's generating them AdSense, could be affiliate commissions as well, but you're just making so much more money, and you have so much more available. So when you do decide to sell, if you decide to sell, then it can just increase the amount of money you get from that so much. You guys have to think long term as well, not just the short term of making money today, money next week, money next month, but also what's the next 1, 2, 3 years, 5 years, 10 years going to look like for you and your brand. So I hope this video helps. YouTube can be great for reaching people and really just gaining your following and getting people to buy. And again, it can act as another touch point. If you haven't seen my video on touch points, then go click that, I'll link that to you, for you guys in the description. But hope this video helps. Subscribe for more e-commerce videos like this. I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care, y'all.